Do I need a permit for that? We get that question asked a lot, and most of the time the answer is yes. In this particular case, the answer varies depending on where you live. We're going to be looking today at a building permit for a flooring system, a very complex system because it's composed of two different flooring types, and you will see the different substrates necessary for this type of projects. But the answer, or the quick answer, is yes, you do need a flooring permit if you are in a condominium, maybe a townhome, or someone that monitors this type of projects. If you're in a single family, a duplex, or a small multifamily on the first, second floor, you may not need. Always make sure that you check with your municipalities and your HOAs if you have one. So let's jump into this. This project was a remodeling and repair job category at the city of Miami. We were submitting a wood, laminate, tile, or vinyl type of project, and we had a full submission to do because we had two type of floorings. In this particular, we were installing engineered wood floors in the bedrooms, and we were installing a travertine hard floor in the rest of the unit. So the HOA had some minor requirements for the soundproofing that we needed to install, and we went beyond and we provided with the city requirements as well as the HOA requirements. So on this drawing, we didn't have a good set of drawings, but we did our best to break it down. The areas in red are not required or were not in the scope of work. The blue contour was the bedroom and the master that we were doing hardwood, and the areas in yellow, including the balconies, which had a different permit because it was a waterproofing one as well, we did marble with the installation of the soundproofing according, right? So there was a whisper mat installed, CS and HS, per the different requirements, and the CS was specifically designed for the sound and control cracks and insulation for ceramic and dimensional stone tiles. In this particular case, we were installing stone, so it worked out just fine and provided the specific requirements that the city and the HOA was looking for. As well, we provided the Whisper Mat HW, which was for interior application under engineering wood and laminate floors, which we did have on our bedrooms. We installed engineered wood. So the rest of the package was some photos that we had with the Whisper Mat CS was installed, and as well as, the proper installation, the approved documents, and the acoustical performance and testing that the city and the HOA required from us. This is, as you can see, are approved for permit and submitted and installed, and we were able to do and provide all of this, and we were able to get all of this completed timely for this client. So if you want to learn more about this type of projects, just follow us.